So to make the tomato ketchup, these are the ingredients you'll need. Tomato paste, tomato sauce, onion and garlic powder, brown sugar, 1 hot pepper finely chopped, and this is optional, some vegetable oil, some vinegar, salt to taste, and some water. So let's get started on putting this together. So to my saucepan, I'm going to go in with the tomato paste. We're just adding all the ingredients to the pot. The tomato sauce. Next, give this a whisk. I'm going to go in with additional water. And I'm using the can that I had that tomato paste in. So I'm going to allow this to cook on medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure when you're cooking down the tomato paste and sauce, you want to cook it on low heat, and you want to keep stirring because you don't want it to start to stick and burn at the bottom of the pot. It has been 30 minutes since this has been cooking. Now this is finished. You want to make sure that it reduces by half, and you want to make sure there's no water left in there. So I'm going to set this aside to cool down. Once it cools down, it will thicken up. After it cools down, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for homemade ketchup. Now guys, I want to let you know this ketchup is not going to be as thick as the ones that you get when you buy it in the supermarket. This is going to be a thinner version because it doesn't contain any starch or any xanthan gum. So make it and taste it. I promise you, you're absolutely going to love it. You see the consistency of it? And I just tasted this and it tastes really delicious. It's so fresh and clean compared to the bottle ketchup. So if you guys make this or you make it differently, let me know how you make it. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!